What is the Activity Chooser? To add learning content to a Moodle course page, you use Moodle's Activity Chooser, which you can access by turning on the editing from the gear menu top right, and then, in the section where you want to have your learning content, you click Add an activity or resource. This will bring up the Activity Chooser. If you don't see this link, but instead you see two separate drop-down menus, check with your administrator. Let's click this link to take a look at the Activity Chooser and what it does. On the left is a list of activities. If we scroll down, we see that underneath is a list of resources. A resource in Moodle is static content which students would just read or look at or listen to. So for instance, if you're uploading documents and presentations, you'd use File or Folder. To present information directly, you'd use a page, or you can use URL if you had a link to a website or an online file. Whereas activities require students to interact with Moodle. They might submit work using an assignment, or they might contribute to a forum discussion. The list can also include resources and activities which are not standard but which your Moodle admin has added as extras. The Learn Moodle site, for instance, has Big Blue Button for web conferencing, which isn't standard but which has been added. In order to find out about what each of these does, you click the radio button next to it. Information then appears on the right telling you what it is, how to use it, and useful teaching ideas. And if you click the More Help link, this takes you to Moodle's documentation with further information. You add an activity or resource by clicking the button and then clicking the Add button at the bottom, or, if you don't need to read the information, you can simply click twice on the button and that will take you to the setup screen.